Hey guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. So from the last video that you guys seen, I have been basically upgrading my toolbox, and I've been putting some foam into them, and I want to show you guys what I've done so far. And I have been putting these foams that you can get at Michael's for $1 and some change. When you buy these foams come individually. They come like in sheets like that, and I've been working with that. Reason I got something like this is because I could change these, or I could swap them, or I could organize it any way that I want. So that's basically it. I decided to get me some duck pliers. My name is engraved in them. Check them out. I use safety wire on these to do safety wire. I got the long needle nose. These are pretty good. This is basically like a 12 inch, 14 inch needle nose. Will reach almost anywhere inside an engine or anywhere where it's hard to reach. I got my crescent wrench from Snap-on right there. Really cool. You know, I use these for trying to bend back some of the metals that are sometimes bent. I try to adjust them, try to put them back nice and straight. I got my cutters, plier cutters. This is a really long one. It's like a 8 inch, 9 inch. And I also ended up getting me a little small one, which is, this one's like 3 inches, 3.5 or something. And these are really good for safety wiring as well. You can't go more than 0.00, I don't know, 25 or something like that. Or no, you can't go past on these any thick. You can't go thick on these, because then you'll just, I guess you'll mess up the teeth. So yeah, the 0.0025, they're good, but you can't go any higher than that because they'll damage the teeth. I mean, these are really good. I tend to use these for a lot of safety wiring. These could go as the wire gauge can go as high as thick as it wants. I mean, it'll still cut it. So it's really good on these. These I like a lot. I can't remember how much I bought them for. Maybe if I start looking at my receipts, I still have my receipts. This one I do remember, it was like 200 bucks or something, probably more. That's my safety wire pliers. So I decided to put it on the top because I use those a lot. So everything you see here is basically what I've been using the most. I will start also adding more stuff that I keep using the most. As you can tell, I have a lot of space that I still need to fill in. These are the tools that I've been using a lot, so I've been putting them right there. I mean, I still got more tools right there, but lately these are the tools that I've been working with. I got there's a big curved breaker bar. I think this is right here, the socket is half an inch. It's pretty thick. It's good for, you know, removing tires. This is the 3/8 head, so that's pretty good. And I think I said socket head, so it's half an inch on the head, 3/8. I got my quarters right here. My quarters, this is a 12-inch with a flex head. I get to do that. I get to work at any angle. Also snap on. Check it out. Snap on. Anyways, I got an extension right here. It's like an 11-inch snap on as well. You put a 3/8 right there. And I got all these other extensions, 3-inch and a 2-inch. I got the speed handle. I don't know if this is from Snap-on, but my dad's been having it for years. This is 1/2 inch right here, head, and it works really well. I like to change the tip of it so I could also use it with my bits right here for a speed handle, for a cross, or a flathead. I got the stubby as well. I use this a lot. I've been using it a lot. Probably a little bit more than the other 12-inch. But I mean, of course, if I can't work with this one, some of the 12-inch works the best, and I don't need more than that. I got this from Craftsman. This is my dad's. He's been having it for years. I mean, I don't know. I wanted to, I guess, change it, but I guess I'm okay with this. So I mean, I use this for the, for these. Interchangeable. I could change them to 100 bits. So I thought that was good, versatile, I guess. And this is really cool. There's a flex extension. This is for you put all your bits right here, and this could go on one of these if you interchange them with this. I mean, you work with that flex. I mean, that's pretty cool. I mean, who wouldn't want to have one of these? I mean, that was really cool. That. So, I mean, I'll be upgrading it more, guys, and I'll be showing more videos, and you guys will get to see my setup little by little. I'll start putting more tools, cutting more layouts right here. I put my mallet right here. Thought it would be cool because I'm starting to use it a lot. Got my hammer, my iron hammer. So I got that. Let me see, I got more stuff I needed you, and as well, I did this as well. Thought that was really cool. I made a video for this one, how to do the cutout layouts. If you guys want, you guys can watch it. It's called the video organizing wrench organizer. You guys should check it out on that video. That was really cool. I made it myself. I guess that's it. I don't really have much that I've been doing, but I'll keep you guys posted on more stuff that I'll keep adding on to this cart. Besides that, I guess that's it. I got my other stuff right there, which is my electric engraver, my digital caliper, which is pretty good, my heat gun, amp meter to test voltage, amperage, current. I got my cherry locks, my rivets, my power tool, air compressor, air, still works. My soldering, which I should put this somewhere because I should get into soldering more. Let's see, this empty. I got my mask. When I'm painting, I use it. As you can tell, it's not dirty. I don't really use it as much. Portable charger. For my power tool. I'm also make a video of this. Check it out. And then I guess that's it. Got all my sockets set right here. I should check out the video I made of this. It actually works really well. It keeps all my sockets up. This is my SAE sockets. I don't really have that many metric sockets. These are my 12 point right here on this side. I don't know if you can see, it's my 12 point SAE and my SAE basically 6 point. Check those out. Really cool. I'm still deciding on where to put these. I don't know where I should put them in here. I got more stuff I need to organize. Mostly anything that I use here, I'll start putting it right here on the first cabinet. I guess that's it. Alright guys, thanks for watching.